My name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make eggplants. Let's make it. In this easy sewing project, you need pencil, paper, scissors, green and purple felt, pins, thread and needle, and stuffing. Take your paper and draw an eggplant. Cut. Okay, here are your pattern pieces. Put this aside. Take purple felt fabric, fold, put your pattern, pin, cut. Remove pins. Check your thread and needle. I'm using this purple thread and sew. So do this from here to about here. Okay, so I sew from here up to here. So when you get here, stop and open. Take your stuffing and insert. Okay, it's looking nice now. So now close here. It's done. So put this aside. Take green felt. Take this part and cut 4. Okay, it's done. Okay, 1, 2, looking like this. And then take this one, put here, and sew here. Okay, it's done. So take this and put here. And sew right round. Okay, it's done now. Take this part and put here, unfold and cut. Okay, take this and put here and sew here. Okay, it's done. Your eggplant is done. Okay, I made another one with a light purple color. Asante kuona. Thank you for watching. Mite Create Arigato. Bye.